Hey guys, a quick look at the Omie Hot Cold Lunchbox. This is one of the very few lunchboxes I found that actually can do hot and cold food. And so I got a couple of things here. Not the same kind of food I would always send, because of course it would not be all prepackaged food like this. But I wanted to show you guys kind of the amount of space that you get in this lunchbox. It can really be one lunchbox for everything. So like if you got juices, they go really nicely in this little package. And then we like these little cereal bars, so you can put those in there. Really nice. You got another space up here for additional snacks, and then like if you want to put like cookies or something like that in there. The part that really where this wins, so you got space for juices or bars or anything like that. You got some other snack areas here, but this hot cold, so this it then fully comes out. I'll take it out for you guys. But you guys see the top comes off, and it really just twists on, and then you can just twist it off, so it's easy for kids. It's got the big handle, so it's easy for them. The whole thing comes out, so you actually would have another space if you had dry food. But if you had like soup or nuggets, we used to do nuggets, different things. What I do is you can either heat this up or keep it cold, and then put the food in here. I'm gonna put this in here. Like put the food in there and then close it up, right? And now it'll stay good for the entire day, and everything closes nicely, and the kids can, carry this as a great lunchbox. We've had this for years. It has a little handle here on the side, and it's machine washable or dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean. I usually clean the metal part without the dishwasher. I usually do that by hand, but that's just my preference. But you see how versatile it is, that you can easily just either have like soup, or like I said, we do chicken nuggets, we've done spaghetti, all those things. And so the kids can have a really good meal. And then like I said, if you don't need the cold, you can also take this whole thing out, and you can put a sandwich in there, you can put additional snacks in there, and so you can really pack your kid full of lunch. And so it's great portion sizes, at least up until like 10, maybe 11, depends on how big of an eater they are. But great portion sizes, great fit, great everything. This is definitely super sturdy. You feel it, you hear it. You guys know the knock test to hear how solid it is. But really great lunchbox, and lasts for different years. Enjoy.